Homeopathic Materia Medica. Homeopathic Materia Medica is the record book of the effect of drugs on human being. This is a storehouse of every action and reaction of the drug, that is the incidents in human being, especially healthy one. Homeopathic Materia Medica is the limit of the knowledge of action of drug in any quantity. There is no property of drug which is unknown to Homeopathic Materia Medica. The drugs in Homeopathic Materia Medica are arranged in alphabetical manner. Sources of Homeopathic Materia Medica. Homeopathic Materia Medica is the collection of systemic record of homeopathic remedies or drugs which are proved on healthy human beings of both sexes and different ages. Homeopathic Materia Medica is the branch of medicine science which is connected with the study of drug substance, example, source, nature, origin, property, preparation, dosage, and administration, also their therapeutic properties and used to treat the diseases. To get sources of Homeopathic Materia Medica, we need to prove drugs. The sources of Homeopathic Materia Medica are as follows. Proving on healthy human being. Homeopathic drugs are proved on healthy humans being as we get all the mental and particular symptom of drug. It is the best method of proving drug, but we do not get proving of drug with deep pathological changes. Proving of healthy animals. Homeopathic drugs are proved on healthy animal as we get objective symptoms, but cannot get subjective symptom and mental symptom. Proving on plant. We can get some idea of pathological changes produced by drug by studying the morphology and history of plant. Clinical proving. By clinical observation, the symptoms which have not been described by patient can also be cured. But sometimes symptoms may appear after administration of medicine which were not found while drug proving. Accidental proving. There can be accidental proving of symptom. Example, plata orientalis in asthma. Toxicological proving. In toxicological proving, there may be unnatural use of drug or overdose of drug. Empirical proving. It is a traditional source, so we can know the medicine property of drug since older drug days and can be observed from general therapeutic study of drug. Calendula officinalis, example. Chemical proving. By the chemical proving, we can get some idea regarding pharmacological action of drug. We can also know the physical and chemical properties of drug, but in this we do not get any information regarding the sign and symptom that drug produces. Laboratory experiment. These help in nosological diagnosis. Qualitative and quantitative changes of organs or tissue can be known by laboratory experiment. Doctrine of signature. It gives the relationship between external physical properties of drug substance and sign and symptom present in the patient during drug proving. Drug prepared from yellow flowers of gelsemium act well in jaundice.